Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start our new chapter, that is Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife of India. First of all, we understand the difference between weather and climate. When we talk about the daily phenomena that is happening, we call it as weather. So all those phenomena which occur on day-to-day basis are explained under weather. However, when we talk about climate, it's, I can say, an average of 30 years or more. So we have a phenomena that exists for a longer duration of time. We call it as climate. In simple words, we can say that weather is the temporary condition of the atmosphere at a place, while as climate is the overall average weather at a place over a period of time. The climate of a country, it plays a major role in shaping the lifestyle of the people and in the economy of the country. The climate of India is generally called the tropical monsoon climate. Now, here a question arises that why India has a tropical monsoon climate? India has a tropical monsoon climate because most of India, it lies in the tropical belt, and her climate is influenced by the monsoon winds which mainly blows in the tropics. And the rainfall in the tropical monsoon climate is seasonal in nature. Now, factors that influence Indian climate. The climate of India is influenced by its latitude, altitude, distance from sea, winds, and the distance of the mountain. Now we will discuss about these factors in detail. The first factor is latitude. The Tropic of Cancer, it runs through the middle of India. So it divides the India into two halves, the northern part in the subtropical zone and the southern part in the tropical zone. So the temperature is generally high all over the country. The second factor is altitude. The temperature of a place also depends upon its altitude. As the altitude increases, the temperature decreases. The places which are located on the mountains, they are cooler than the places located on the plains. For example, hill stations like Shimla, Ooty, Nainital, they enjoy a cool climate even during the hot summer months. The third factor is distance from sea. The areas which are close to the sea have equable climate. But when we move away from the sea, the temperature rises. For example, Mumbai being on the coast has somewhat moderate and more equable climate. But when we talk about Delhi, Delhi is extremely hot as compared to Mumbai. This is because Delhi is far away from the sea. The fourth factor is winds. Winds also affect the climate of India. When there is a difference in temperature and air pressure between two regions, the air changes its direction and this movement of air is called wind. During summer season, the North India receives hot and dry winds from the southwest, and in the winter, North India receives cold winds from the northwest. In winter, the northeast monsoon blows from the land to sea, so they are cold and dry. The last factor is direction of the mountains. The Himalayas stand as a climatic barrier against the cold winds of the north. They act as a barrier against the rain-bearing monsoon winds from going out of India and force them to cause heavy rainfall in the country. Without this mountain barrier, the cold winds from the north would have turned India into a cold place. Now, seasons in India. There are 4 major seasons in India: the cold weather season or winter season, the hot weather season or summer season, the monsoon season or rainy season, and the retreating monsoon season. Now we will discuss these 4 major seasons of India in detail. The first one is the hot weather season or summer season. The hot weather season or summer season begins from March and continues till May. In some places, it continues till the end of June. Northern and northwestern India are the hottest regions during this time. They experience the maximum temperature of about 45 degrees Celsius. The second season is the cold weather season or winter season. The cold weather season or winter season begins in the middle of November and lasts till February. During December and January, the northern plains are very cold with an average temperature between 10 degrees Celsius and 15 degrees Celsius. But the southern India is not very cold during this time. The temperature in the southern India is around 25 degrees Celsius. The third season of India is the monsoon season. The monsoon season or rainy season begins in June and continues till September. The monsoon winds from the Indian Ocean enter from the southwest towards India. They carry moisture from the seas and cause heavy rainfall in India. These winds are called the advancing monsoon. Most of India receives rainfall during this season. The last season is retreating monsoon. The monsoon retreats during the month of October and November. The southwest monsoon retreats or withdraws from the north of India. It's called the retreating monsoon. The retreating monsoon blows from the northeast and begins rainfall to the coastal Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Now at last we will discuss about distribution of rainfall. The distribution of rainfall in India is very uneven. It ranges from very high to very low. Now, the areas which receive heavy rainfall are Western Ghats, the Western Coastal Plains, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Sikkim, West Bengal, and southern slopes of eastern Himalayas receive heavy rainfall. These areas receive rainfall above 200 centimeters. Then the areas which receive moderate rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeters are Bengal, Bihar, eastern Uttar Pradesh, and sub-mountains of Punjab, Odisha, and Madhya Pradesh. These areas, they receive moderate rainfall. Then the areas which receive low rainfall between 50 to 100 centimeters are the Deccan Plateau, Gujarat, and eastern Rajasthan, western Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, and northern Punjab. They are the areas which receive low rainfall. Now, the areas which receive scanty rainfall. Kutch and western Rajasthan, southern Haryana, and southwest Punjab, Ladakh in Kashmir, and Himachal Pradesh are the areas which receive scanty rainfall. Thank you.